Food is anything we eat or drink. Every day we need food for us to be healthy and to get strength to do our everyday jobs and work. So today we want to talk about foodstuffs in isiNdebele. Sadza, isitshwala, relish, isitshebo, vegetables, umbhida, fish, inhlanzi, milk, uchago, chicken, inyama yenkukhu, beef, inyama yenkomo,